Hello everyone, welcome to Long Life Healthy Way.
How are you all?
So before we get into our segment, Yoshiko wants to say a few thank yous.
That's right. Thank you very much for all the birthday wishes, and also to my auntie Tsuya. She turned 100. Thank you so much. They're all warm and thoughtful messages. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Good. So Ishikawa 3, we're going to talk briefly about this.
Today, yes.
Sometimes when you get a pain, it's from another part of the body, and you least expect that. So for example, if you've got lower back pain, it might be something to do with the way your shoulders are angled or flexing. That's or right. Whatever. So Dr. Ishikawa recommends not taking too many, say for example, headache tablets.
Yes.
Don't take too many, because you don't know, that headache might be caused from another part of the body, so you should really get it checked out if it persists, that is.
That's right, yeah.
So we're not doctors, we're just telling you what this doctor, who's a brain specialist, says.
That's right.
But he really thinks, if you get a pain, it's often from another part of the body. The whole body is connected, as you know.
Exactly, yes. And we know we shouldn't take too many tablets.
Yeah, that's right.
But it's good to, in this occasion, to remind us.
Yeah, that's right.
You shouldn't take too much tablets.
Okay, so last week many of you we asked you for what you do to keep your brain young, and a lot of you wrote to us and told us what you did, and they were all very interesting.
That's right.
Board games and knitting and things like that. So we thought we'd like to start off, before we get into the cooking, of course, we'd like to start off showing you what we do.
That's right.
Or some of the things.
Apart from our jobs. Daily things.
Well, Yoshiko is still working a full-time job teaching. And so anyway, I'd like to show you what I do, for example, and that's art. And I'm writing a children's book, and these are prototypes. These aren't the finished product, but things like that. There's some of them. I still work out the colour scheme, but this is a sort of illustration that I do. Here's a coloured one. Here's the boy is in the boat, and he's
it's crocodile. Yeah, scary.
He's got to hold back his little doggy mate from this crocodile who's intruded into his space, and the dog is very angry.
Yes.
But all's well that ends well, and we have here a mother duck and her ducklings.
And they're sweet.
So it's often the case that in the dark you mistake things for something else, a bit like Dr. Ishikawa says, Ishikawa 3, where he says, if you've got a pain somewhere, it's often somewhere else that's causing it.
Yeah.
And often in the dark, you might see something like this, and it's imagination, but in reality, it's actually a piece of wood that looks like the crocodile, and he's floating on it. And here's another scene. He's telling him, wake up, all you guys, we're going to go catch some fish. So that's what I do. I've got 32 pages of these.
That's right, yeah.
But what we'd like to do now is play a song.
We want to play a Japanese song today.
Yeah, it's a folk song, isn't it?
Yeah, it's called My Home Town.
Oh, I see.
It's in Japanese, furusato.
Furusato, that means hometown.
That's right.
So often, we grow up in a hometown, and we go away to the big city to explore our careers and that. but we long to return to the hometown.
That's right. Yeah, remembering good things happened in hometown.
Right.
And those good memories going around sometimes in your mind.
Okay, so let's get into it. You can face the camera now.
Oh, yes.
You're on camera.
I hope I can sing well today.
Okay, let's play it.
Let's play. Usagi oishi ka no yama, kobu no tsurishi ka no kawa, yume wa ima mo megurite, wasure ga taki furusato.
That's
One
very
of my
sweet.
favorite songs. Yeah.
So let's get into the kitchen now
That's
for
right.
some real. See what mischief we can get into.
That's right.
Okay.
So I'm going to cook today Japanese family dish, and it's called chikuzen-ni. It's a nimono, and this dish coming from my old cooking book. And now I'm going to show you the ingredients. This is shiitake mushroom, and this is renkon, lotus, and bamboo shoot, and gobo, burdock, and carrots, ninjin, and plus konnyaku. Konnyaku is a root vegetable too. So, and a little bit chicken.
How much chicken?
About 250 grams.
I see.
Yeah. So I try to take the skin as much as I can.
So this is a hearty meal, isn't it?
Hearty, yeah.
It's not a side dish.
Family dish.
Oh,
yeah.
I see.
So the mostly root vegetables.
Oh,
So they're really rich in fiber. So it should be really nice.
Okay.
Okay, let's get started now.
Okay.
So the shiitake mushroom, I'm going to soak. I've already soaked in the water and cut the stem and cut in about half. So 1 bite size. And also the bamboo shoot as well. I cut it 1 bite size.
Right.
So now I'm going to cook konnyaku. It's been washed, so I like to keep the skin on. This lotus renkon I soaked in vinegar water for a while, and then cutting similar size. Already cut, so I might cut in smaller pieces too.
That song Furusato was a nice song.
Yes, did you like it?
Yes. So
You should start practicing more Japanese songs.
I will.
Yeah.
I do.
Yes. My hometown is in Kagoshima. What about your hometown?
Mine?
Where is your hometown?
Sydney.
Sydney.
City.
City.
Home city.
Home city.
All right.
Don't you say Gaimia?
Well, I could say Gaimea.
There's nothing wrong with
All
that.
right, I'll say Gaimea Bay. That's what that book I mentioned before.
That's right.
That's
yes.
about my home suburb.
That's right. It's a nice area, isn't it?
It is.
lots of water. You can do fishing and put sesame oil
Yes.
and fry the chicken first. It's a family dish, isn't it?
Because this is from Kagoshima, this dish, actually.
Ah, that's right.
Yeah.
In Kagoshima region. Not Kagoshima region, sorry. It's なんだろう top part of Kyushu, I think. 筑前 area, I think it's called. How do you know? Did you check?
Yes, I checked.
Good. Okay, so I take the chicken out and put the hard root vegetables. Hard bits. Smells nice, isn't it? Sesame oil aroma.
That's right.
And cognac. That is stock, I think. So I cook in the dashi stock now. And plus add this is shiitake juice when I
right.
soaked in the water. That's, shouldn't waste. And besides it, the umami is coming from shiitake, so it should be good. And then cook it for a while until it gets soft.
Right.
So when it's boiled, you cook further 4 or 5 minutes. All right?
Yeah.
And then put sugar, just less than 1 tablespoon. And then put this lid to reduce the liquid and cook 4 or 5 minutes. It says 3 tablespoons. This is a low salt soy sauce, so should be all right. 1, 2, 3, and then put the lid on again, and about 7 minutes cook.
Yes.
During cooking, you mix it occasionally so that still cooking. Okay. Now I'm going to add mirin, 1 tablespoon. cook another 7 minutes.
Now,
So now I took the lid off and reduced the juice about half. So it takes for a while. All right?
right.
So just leave it like this. Okay, it's reduced quite a lot of juice now. So I switch off. It took for a while, didn't it?
Indeed. Well, this is a good meal.
Good family
Yeah.
meal, isn't it? We were supposed to use snow pea, but it was unfortunately it wasn't available, so I used beans. I cooked beans to garnish.
That looks great.
Thank you. Okay, so we are ready to eat.
Yes.
Try.
It looks fantastic, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
thank you. But
Very
it took for a while to cook.
Yes, never mind.
Yeah.
So anyway, I hope you try this at home in your wherever you might be.
That's
and,
right. If you are able to, get these root vegetables, yeah, that would be really nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a little
Yes,
bit,
please.
and you can try.
I wouldn't mind a little bean too.
Beans as well.
Yes.
Yes. Sure. Konjac. And I put a little bit for mine.
So the thing is, with this meal, it's really quite easy to make. You know,
But
it's
just takes time.
yeah. Well, it's
That's the
because
thing.
of the root
You have
vegetables.
to-
But,
yeah, it's hard.
yes, my word. Oh, itadakimasu.
いただきます.
Oh, I didn't get any chicken.
Ah, you serve yourself.
So, everyone, please tell us where you came from. What was your hometown?
Hometown, yeah,
Yes,
that'll be interesting to hear.
Yeah, we'd really like to hear that. So, thank you very much for watching. But first, we'll try this, Yoshiko.
Yes.
Mother.
You like it?
It reminds me of
My mom or your mom?
No, my mum didn't cook this, but your mum used to cook this too. Beautiful.
It's chikuzenni is very nutritious food.
It is.
Lots of root veggies which are good for fiber. Umami from shiitake mushroom. Yes, if you have a chance, please try one. Okay, thank
you very
so
much.
much.
Okay, see you next week.
See you next week.
Okay, bye for now.
Bye.